Everybody, Lumpkin here. My little buddy Levi, he's gone. They just left. But I'm firing up the Kamado and just trying to show you the setup. You know, I got the lump in there, and I said lump. I think they named it after me. I'm not sure. That's for you, Sal. And I use the iron. Got this iron thing, and it's working out real good. So we'll be back. I'm just doing some of the leftover stuff I have. You know, leftover uncooked stuff I have. And, you know, I'll probably feed the crazy Indian next door and, you know, whoever wants to eat. So I'm thinking I got some leg quarters that I'm actually using Hey Boy, JB's Hey Boy, for the first time on chicken. I did the Hey Girl last night, and it was like freaking outstanding. And I'm gonna throw a flank steak on there, and you know, whatever else I got. So we'll be back. Oh, see, we're flaming up now. It's very nice, very nice. We'll be back. Yeah, there's the Indian over there. He's talking to somebody. Intense conversation, I gotta tell you. But you know, we'll get the info later. Okay, I know it's tough to see, but this is my setup. It's pardon me. It's apple. Damn. Yeah, so it's apple. So I did soak those, and that's why all the smoke. And I actually like it better like that than dry. And I set these on just for a little bit. Get it up about 300. Give it a little rub down, and then we'll start. I'll be back. Okay, we're right at 200, 197. Okay, and I got smoke rolling. That's for you, Russ, huh? Oh, damn. So I'm gonna let these rock and roll for a little bit, and then I'm gonna throw that flank on. You know, it's not the best thing in the world, but I did pay dearly for it because, you know, where I am here in Boston, it's 1.70, and I paid $8.49 for this thing. Freaking kidding me? But anyway, that's what I got to deal with. We'll be back. Oh, the Indian's still on the phone over there. He's got something. He's got a hot one going, I guess, or maybe not. I don't know. We'll be back. Okay, just over 300. That says like 305. And no, actually, that's saying like 300. It's just saying 311. So let's see what's going on. Oh, so I threw that flank on. I'll give that a flip. I hit that with the Hey Boy. I'm gonna flip these. I wasn't gonna, but you know. And look at that pullback on that bone. I'm loving that. So I didn't mention to you guys the old lady was moving an ottoman and ended up in an emergency room. I'm not laughing. I'm just saying. But luckily, it was not broke. Contusion right across the bridge of her foot, and the foot is not pretty, but she's gonna survive. And Levi's gone, and You know, I'm pretty much all alone, so I definitely need adult supervision. But anyway, I'm good here. I'm good here. And I think that's right. So I'll be back. All right, one more quick flip. Dead Nuts 300. And I'm just a tad over here. So we're going to check it out. I'll be right back. All right, so we've been holding like 295 for the last half hour. I did give that flank a flip, and I think that's perfect. Flanks in. You know, I'm a big fan of leg quarters. You know, bone is flavor as far as I'm concerned. So that's out. That's almost out. Okay, now it's out. And so that's what we did today. My little buddy Levi's gone. The old lady damn near broke her foot. And other than that, we're having a good time. And that's off. And we're shut down. So you know, maybe we'll catch you inside. I don't know. But happy Memorial Day, everybody. I love you all.